My name is Scott McCutcheon. I'm the owner and operator of Emerald Coast Glass Products. What I'd like to do is take you through a brief overview of our assessments, why we do them, the reasoning behind them. First of all, I kind of want to give you a little bit of background of our company. We've actually been in business for over 30 years. We have worked with the military, FBI, multiple military and security companies. We've also worked with threat assessment companies to kind of help you guys find out cost-effective solutions for your school protection. We've done over 100 schools as far as assessments, and just in the last 3 years. We've done them prior to then, but in the majority because of our recent activities and shootings at these schools. Of course, this is increased. So we've learned a lot going through these schools, learned a lot from people that are experts in the field, and would like today just kind of give you an idea of what we do when we do these assessments on your schools. Like I said, we've done over 100 schools. We've worked with the FBI, Homeland Security, multiple military installations, as well as law enforcement agencies over our last 30 years. So we've got a pretty good background in these products. As you can see here, this is Sandy Hook. This is one of the main issues that a lot of security issues, when they're trying to put these assessments together, they overlook the glass. As you can tell in this photo, tempered glass, when it gets shot at or hit by an object, it breaks into little pieces. And in this case, the intruder was able to break through the glass and enter the school. This is what we're trying to prevent from happening. Once again, we work with experts. We look at case studies to see what is the best solution, a cost-effective solution to help protect these schools, whether it's lockdown systems, threat assessments, things like this. Of course, our specialty is glass. When we look at these schools, we look at the layouts, we look at perimeters, we look at the windows, where they're located at, how large the windows are, like in this image here, you have multiple buildings. So we look at multiple ways of intruders might be able to get into these facilities, and that's one of the main things that we're going to look at is layouts, exterior perimeters. Where are these windows facing, parking lots, fields, roads. That's part of our assessment. We kind of, like I say, get a full overview of how the school is actually laid out. We look at interiors. We look at interiors as far as what kind of doors, what kind of windows are in the interior of schools. As you can tell in this photo here, we look at the type of door and what's next to the door, and then how we can protect this in multiple ways. And as you can tell also in this entranceway, we were looking at this. But we also do inspections. We look at the glass type, we look at the frame type, we look at how this works as a system. Whenever you're installing, say, security window film, you're looking at the film, the attachment systems. There's a lot involved in it. We do have a background in the glass industry. We used to actually own a glass company, so we're real familiar with framing glass types. Reception areas, lobbies, critical area. We work with multiple companies that do bullet-resistant glass. We look at these lobbies to see the entrance and exit points of these lobbies, and also give you some ideas what you can do to secure your lobbies. Since we do work with multiple experts in this field, we can find cost-effective ways to help you in these areas too, as well as the other parts of your school. Specifications, extremely important. We've looked at brands out that's out, and so you can, it's like a maze of trying to find out a good quality product. We've worked with multiple manufacturers. We understand these products, how they're manufactured, because one thing we do look at that's super important is we look at the product's performance as well as also its quality, because you could have a really good performing product, but the quality control could be an issue as far as manufacturing the product and to find out if it's going to last or not. So we help you kind of take the guesswork out of trying to find the right products, as well as installation. Same situation. Installation of these products is critical. And what you'll find in this industry is there's not a lot of specialists. So we network with a lot of specialists that are professional that can help you install these products on your windows. And I always say buyer beware, because there's a lot of companies that specialize in window tinting, and they're used to dealing with these thinner films. And as you get into these thicker window films, they're much harder to install. There's different types of attachment systems that can go around the window and frame. So that would determine what's going to, you know, as we do these assessments, that would determine this these applications. So it is critical on the installer. It's kind of like they say that, you know, the product and the is, you know, as far as the product goes, the installation can be the weakest point. You could have a great product and a terrible installation. So we help you take the guesswork on finding qualified people to do these projects. We're here to help. We're here. Our goal is to help you take the guesswork out of your glass protection. Like say, whether it's laminated glass, bullet resistant glass, security window films. We've worked with all these products. We know some of the top people in the industry. We've worked with multiple manufacturers. So we're here to help you take the guesswork, find, like I say, cost-effective ways to help you. Our contact information is here. You can give us a call, go to our website, email me. If you'd like to set up, we do free assessments on schools, kind of give you an idea on some budgets. And we've worked with multiple school districts, private schools, charter schools, universities. We've got a pretty good track record with working with them. And if you need any referrals of some of our work, feel free to contact our company. But just give us a call and we can set up an assessment and go over this in more detail.